Hello students. When we talk about various places, regions, roads, etc., we are actually talking with the reference to the earth. The location of a place, the extent of region, the extent of linear features like roads, rivers, etc., can be described with the help of graticule. What is a graticule? We have learned that. Parallels of latitude and meridians of longitudes forms knit on the globe are called graticule, and this system will be useful for describing a location of any place on the earth's surface exactly. Today we are going to learn that. Let us see. Students, we have noted that when we talk about various places, regions, rivers, roads, etc., we are actually talking with reference to the earth. The location of a place, the extent of a region, and the extent of any linear features can be described precisely with the help of parallels and meridians. Let us see how to use the graticule for this purpose. Now verify the following description with the help of a world map or globe. While describing the location of a place, we need to consider only one parallel and one meridian. For example, Delhi in India is located at 28 degree 36 minute 50 seconds north latitude and 77 degree 12 minute 3 seconds east longitude. As you know that Earth is a spherical in size and there are 360 degrees in spherical object. So at the interval of 15 degrees one can draw 6 parallels of latitude in northern hemisphere, 6 parallels of latitude in southern hemisphere. Including equator, one can draw 13 parallels on the globe. And at the interval of 15 degrees, one can draw 11 meridians in eastern hemisphere, 11 meridians in western hemisphere, including the 0 degree is called prime meridian, and a 180 degree meridian. One can draw 24 meridians on a globe. On this globe, parallels of latitude and meridians of longitude have drawn at the interval of 15 degrees. So while describing a location of any place, we have to remember that. And now look at the location of Delhi in India on a globe. Delhi is located at 28 degree 36 minute 50 second north latitude and 77 degree 12 minute 3 second east longitude. That means Delhi in India is located in the northern hemisphere and in the eastern hemisphere. So while describing a location of Delhi, we have to remember that. At first, we will see the latitude of Delhi in India. This is a 0 degree equator, and as you know that Delhi in India is located in a northern hemisphere. So we will see 15 degrees north latitude, 30 degrees north latitude, and towards the south from this 30 degrees north latitude, Delhi is located. The latitude of Delhi is 28 degree 36 minute 50 second north latitude. And now look at this 75 degree east longitude. This longitude passes near Delhi, and after this longitude towards the east, 77 degree 12 minute 3 second east longitude is there. Delhi is located on that longitude. 30 degrees north latitude, and towards the south from this 30 degrees north latitude, Delhi is located. The latitude of Delhi is 28 degree 36 minute 50 second north latitude. And now look at this 75 degree east longitude. This longitude passes near Delhi, and after this longitude towards the east, 77 degree 12 minute 3 second east longitude is there. Delhi is located on that longitude. Students, remember that for describing a location of any place on the earth's surface precisely, we need to divide these degrees into smaller units. Degrees can be divided into 60 minutes and minute can be divided into 60 seconds. For describing the extent of a region, we need to consider two parallels and two meridians at the extreme ends of the region. For example, the extent of Australia is described as a 10 degree 30 minute south latitude to 43 degree 39 minute south latitude, and 113 degree east to 153 degree east longitude. We will see the extent of Australia. Australia is located in the southern hemisphere and in the eastern hemisphere. This is the extreme end point towards west. This is the extreme end point towards the east. This is the extreme end point towards the north, and this is the extreme end point towards the south. So, for describing the extent of Australia, we need two parallels. For describing the latitudinal extent, and two meridians for describing longitudinal extent of Australia. First, we will see latitudinal extent. Look at this 0 degree equator, and as we know that Australia is located in the southern hemisphere, and we also know that the distance between every two latitudes on a globe is 15 degrees. This is a 15 degrees south latitude. This is a 30 degrees south latitude, and this is a 45 degrees south latitude. And this is the extreme end point of Australia towards north. We have to consider this latitude for describing latitudinal extent. What is the degree of this latitude? 10 degree 30 minute south latitude. And look at the extreme point of Australia towards the south. This is a 0 degree equator. This is a 15 degrees south latitude. This is a 30 degrees south latitude, and this is a 45 degree south latitude. So for describing the latitudinal extent of Australia, we have to consider the latitude near the 45 degree south latitude. What is the degree of that latitude? 43 degree 39 minute south latitude. So this is the latitudinal extent of Australia. Now we will see longitudinal extent from east to west. This is the extreme end point of Australia towards west. This is the extreme end point of Australia towards east. This is a 120 degree east longitude. This is a 105 degree east longitude. You know that there is a 15 degrees difference between every two meridians. And this is the extreme end point of Australia towards west. What is the degree of this longitude? 113 degrees east longitude. Now look at this 150 degrees east longitude, and this is the extreme end point of Australia towards east. What is the degree of this longitude? The degree of this longitude is 153 degree east longitude. So this is a longitudinal extent of Australia.